In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair the starter rope on this Honda GX390. Whether it be on a generator or a pressure washer, it doesn't really matter, it's all the same. I'm going to make it real easy for you. This is Rudy from Take a Bath Productions with another video showing you how to fix various things. If you're a subscribed member to my community, then welcome back. If you're new to this channel, consider clicking that subscribe button below, and please like this video if you found it helpful for you. Okay, let's get right into it. Alright, so wouldn't you know it, my pull cord broke and we've got to replace that. It's a very easy job. All you have to do is remove this starter assembly. Now, if your unit has something like this, a name tag or whatever that's on here, be sure to take that off because there's just enough room to get that out of there with this bar in the way. It's just 3 10mm bolts. And this will come out. So I need to get the old rope out of here. Now in some cases you can grab it from here and pull it. It's pretty loose on here, so actually I can pull it from here, but what if you can't? What you need to do is find the end of the rope. If you look from the top and you don't see the end of the rope, then what you can do is look through the sides right here, and I can see the end of the rope is right here, okay, right here. Whether you can see that on the camera, I don't know, but you'll be able to see it in person. All right, so once you get that up like so, just kind of grab that. Now I've got my finger on the end of the rope, and you can pull it loose just like that and get rid of it, okay? Let's pull it out till it's straight, and then we'll get rid of the rope. Now we can pull it out, okay? All right, so here's our new rope right here. Now the factory rope was 62 inches long. You can make yours exactly 60 or 5 feet if you wish. It should be fine with 2 inches less. It's not going to hurt anything. Also, this is a 3/16 rope, 4.5 millimeters. I'll leave a link in the description to that. I noticed a lot of the ones on Amazon were like 4 feet long or something like that. This needs to be 5 feet long to match the one that was factory. All right, so to make this thing go through the holes in the starter assembly, you might want to heat the end of it up a little bit and just kind of melt these together and just kind of take your fingers and, you know, flatten them out like so. Now mine has an arrow right here that aligns with the hole. It's in this reel right here. If yours doesn't have one, it might be beneficial to put something there with a piece of tape or a magic marker or whatever, just so you can see exactly where the where your rope needs to go, okay? So we're going to wind this counterclockwise. See the fingers come out when you turn it counterclockwise? If you go clockwise, that doesn't happen. So counterclockwise, it's like 5 turns, okay? So now we're aligned. Here's our hole in the starter assembly. Right here, we're going to go 5 turns. And I'll be back when I get to 5 turns, okay? And there's 5 turns right there. All right, so kind of watch your fingers on this. If you let it go, it might smack your fingers pretty good. So you're going to want to jam something in there to hold it in place like so. We're fairly lined up right here on here's the hole where the rope goes through. So you're going to have to kind of feed this through. It's a tight fit. Don't be tempted to put a piece of tape or anything on that to hold it together because it'll make it too thick. It just barely fits through the hole as it is, so kind of just work it through until you can see it. There, I see it. And if you've got some needle nose pliers like this, that would be helpful to kind of guide it through, just like so. All right? Now just tie a knot here on one side. You could also heat this one up if you wanted to keep that from fraying on you. Just tie your knot. You don't need a long tail sticking out. All right, just like that. Pull that puppy in there and do that with it, okay? Very strong. Now leave your screwdriver in place. You don't want to wind this up just yet. All right, so we have the other end of the rope right here. We're going to want to go ahead and heat this one up too, so that that fray will calm down a little bit. And just, now don't make this too hot and burn your fingers, okay? That should be obvious, but I figured I'd mention it anyway. You want to put this one on first. And then this one. Now here's a picture of the factory knot. I am not good at knots, okay? So I'm not going to try to duplicate that. I am just going to tie a double knot here, like so, and tuck that in here, just like that, just like so. Very strong. And that's it. All right, so now let's release our rope, and it should wind itself all the way back up. Just kind of hold it from here. Oh yeah, very good. Works like a champ. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.